One of the most depressing things I see in the producer community is the fact that 90% of producers have no idea how to really sell beats online. And the reason why this is so frustrating is because they're all doing the exact same thing, and they continue to do the exact same thing, knowing it's not going to yield them the results that they want. And knowing that they can't get the result that they want, they're going to quit trying to sell their production that is really good and professional sounding. They just can't figure out how to sell it. And they're going to go back to the bedroom studio and just produce as an expensive hobby. And I would hate for that to be you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a personal brand that allows you to 10x your prices. And then at the end of the video, I'll give you an opportunity to join and be one of my students, and I've helped 6 of my students to get to 2,000 in a single week. So if that sounds at all interesting and you have an attention span of at least 10 minutes, then stick to the end of this video. You're going to get a lot of value out of it. And if you don't, then I guess go and watch the next Kendrick Lamar music video. Anyways, so to jump into this video, the reason why you should listen to me is I am a Grammy-winning producer. I am a platinum-selling producer. I've been on the Billboard Top 100. I have a Dove Award, an NAACP award. I have all these different things that I've done with placements. And while I've done all of that, and that gives you the clout or the accreditation, I've only made $40,000 the last 5 years with placements. So what I did is I pivoted to marketing and selling my beats myself so that I've been full-time for the last 5 years. And I've helped 6 producers make $2,000 in a single week, and many, many more get their first $1,000 sale. So in this video, what I'm going to teach you guys is how to 10x your prices, and you do that with personal brand. And what I see that is happening online, when producers try to sell their beats, they think that the quickest, easiest way to do it is to upload to YouTube. And while that is correct, while that is true, the problem is that there's so many producers on YouTube than there used to be in 2017, 2018. When I got in 2019, I was still able to get 1,000 views a video, 3,000 views in a video, and get a couple of sales on YouTube, but it still wasn't working for me, and I quit doing that. But nowadays, I see a lot of producers that are getting 50 views a video, 100 views a video, and yet they still consistently post to a platform that is not serving them and not giving them money. And if it does, it's only going to give them $30 to $100. So what I'm going to teach you is how you can get $1,000 plus for a beat. And you do that with a personal brand. Stop hiding your face on social media. Stop going and getting clip art of some artist from Google and pasting it into a video editor and calling that your brand, calling that your business. It's not serving you. So you need to pivot. You know that the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, hoping for a different result. And that's what I see with a lot of YouTube channels. So don't get me wrong, because you're probably saying to yourself, there's a lot of YouTube channels that are successful, that do get lots of views, that do get lots of sales. And that's true. I've worked with a lot of those producers that are getting sales. Now, with that being said, I've seen people get 40,000 views on a video and only get 4 sales. And then I've seen people get 100,000 views on a video and only get 4 or 5 sales. So it can definitely vary in terms of the success you get. Views and virality do not equal vitality for your business. It doesn't equal sales for your business. So if you're chasing views and you're like, if I could just go from 500 views to 5,000, then I would get more sales. Well, yes, in theory, but in reality, sometimes it's not going to really result in that many more sales. And I see YouTube channels that have 100,000 subscribers that really aren't even making 2,000 a month. So here's a better way. You need to show your face on social media. The way that you do this is you connect your person with your production. So my brand is just my person, and then you might see some guitars somewhere in the background. So I simply go and put my face in front of the camera, and then I have my beat playing in the background, and I simply react to it. Very, very simple. There's a lot of different ways to do that. And if you want a free course on that, just go over to Instagram at Kobe Sample Source, and then just DM me the word brand, and I'll send you over a course that shows you exactly how to set this up in a very concise video. Now, essentially, when you're connecting your person with your production, what this does is, one, it gets the artist to trust you. So if you're hiding behind a logo and they don't know who you are, they don't know if you're 10 years old or 100 years old. They don't know if you're like actually somebody that they would want to work with or not. So if you're relying on just your beats, they scroll through and hear 10 beats a day, And if they don't land on a beat that is the best, then they're not going to stop. Now, when you add your person into it, what happens is they're going to stop because you're a human being and that has value. And then when they listen to the beat, they're going to say, I like this beat and I want to work with them specifically, or I want to work with you specifically. And that is the main reason why you want to put some content out there. Now, you don't want to sell in your content. You don't want to promote your beat prices and things like that. You just want to nurture the relationship so that the artist actually wants to work with you specifically at some point. So if you're looking more so for a video on selling beats and you already have a personal brand, then I'll try to include a card up here that you can just go and tap, and that's going to take you to more of the sales acquisition system side of things and getting clients. But for this video, this is just simply getting it set up so that you can actually take advantage and add in a client acquisition system. So once you have some content up, I recommend posting anywhere from 3, 6, 9 pieces of content. So it might take you a week. Then once you have that up there, then you can start to go and market. But this is going to give you that trust with the artist. So here's the reason why. If you look at luxury brands like Louis Vuitton, if you look at a luxury brand like Lamborghini, does that bag from Louis Vuitton cost 100 times more because it's made of 100 times rarer material? No. Does it cost 100 times more because it took 100 times longer to make? No, it doesn't. And the same thing goes for Lamborghini. It's not 100 times faster. It doesn't get 100 times better gas mileage. It actually gets worse gas mileage than your average car. And it's not even 100 times more powerful. And it's not made out of 100 times rarer material. So the reason why it's 100 times more expensive has everything to do with branding. The same with the Louis Vuitton. It's the brand that you're buying. You're buying into the name. And so even though it's not a personal brand, you're buying the name. Louis Vuitton is someone's name. Mercedes is somebody's name. Lamborghini is somebody's name. Ferruccio Lamborghini, right? So you need to understand what you're buying. It is not the thing that you're actually buying. It is the brand. So in knowing that, you need to know that you need to set up a brand that's going to allow you to 10x your price, and they're not going to bat an eye. I remember when I charged $1,000 for a beat, and I got off a phone call, and the artist sent me the money. I just had to pinch myself a little bit because it was so surreal to me. I was like, I had been criminally undercharging for beats, and I mean, it changed my life. I was able to go and get this to $13,000 a single month. So what other producers can say that if you're not getting views, if you don't have placements? Like, how are you able to make so much money? It is the brand, and then adding in a system that's actually going to allow you to convert those into sales. So the branding comes first. The branding is over everything. If you're hiding behind a logo in 2025 and you have a faceless brand, you're just not gonna win. It's gonna be really difficult for you to find success online. You're gonna have to do this. And you might say like, hey, I'm introverted, I'm shy, I don't wanna be in front of a camera, I wanna be behind the scenes. I said the exact same thing. I said I would never record a video with my face in it. I would never put myself in front of a camera. I'll never have a personal brand, and here I am. And it's been 100% worth it. I'll tell you that much. So until you get that first step down to where you put out a video, you're not going to be able to really 10x your pricing. You're going to be stuck in that hamster wheel of, let me go and get more custom beat clients because I'm good at making beats. And you get a few clients, but you can only charge $250, $300, $500. And the more clients you take on, the more time you spend working with clients, but you're not getting paid enough. So you got to get more clients, but you don't have the time to work on it. So you're stuck in that hamster wheel. And so I would hate for that to be you, because it used to be me. And then when I added in a personal brand, I was able to 4x, 10x my price and go from charging $100 to $1,000, go from charging $250 all the way up to charging $3,000 for just 3 beats. So if you can simply get the personal brand down, it's going to give you the capacity to sell at a high level. It's going to give you the capacity to grow a booming business and not a struggling one. So please, if you are struggling to do this and you don't know how to set it up exactly, in this video, I'm not going to show you that, but you can go over to Instagram. It's at Kobe Sample Source. Just DM me brand. It's a free course. I'll send it over and it's going to show you in detail how to set up a personal brand. And then you will have the ability to get that capacity and charge more for your beats. So hopefully this video was helpful. I'm trying not to rant and rave too much, but I hope that you see that, you know, I'm really passionate about helping producers, and I really want to see you succeed this year. And the only way to do that I know of is with a personal brand. So you need to add that in, and you need to do it as soon as possible if you want to win in 2025. So make sure you do that. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to work with me in a more private setting, one-to-one, but you want a free roadmap call first just to see if what I offer is even a good fit, you can talk with me in person. No pressure to buy anything. Then simply go to the link in the description or the link in the pinned comment and just go there, book a free call with me, and we'll go through a roadmap of how that you can see success and start making 1,000 to 2,000 a week selling beats online. So that's enough for me. Hopefully you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.